step inside a modern camel leather factory, where raw camel hides from desert regions begin their transformation into luxurious, high-end leather products. The journey starts as the hides arrive at the factory, carefully inspected for quality, thickness, and natural texture. Workers handle each hide with precision, checking for imperfections and grading them to ensure only the best skins proceed into the production process. Advanced tracking systems log every hide, ensuring complete traceability and quality control from the very beginning. Once inspected, the hides move to the cleaning and pre-treatment stage. They are washed thoroughly to remove dirt, dust, and any surface oils using specialized detergents and conditioning solutions. Industrial machines gently massage the hides, softening the fibers while maintaining their natural strength. Skilled workers oversee the process, ensuring uniform treatment across each hide. This step not only cleans the material, but also begins the preparation needed for tanning. The tanning phase is where the raw hides truly begin to transform. In large industrial drums, hides are immersed in tanning solutions that stabilize and strengthen the fibers. Chrome tanning, vegetable tanning, or a combination of both may be used depending on the desired texture and finish. The drums rotate slowly, allowing the chemicals to penetrate evenly, while technicians constantly monitor pH, temperature, and chemical concentrations. This ensures that the leather develops consistent color, suppleness, and durability. The hides absorb the tanning agents over several hours, transforming from raw skin into strong, flexible material ready for finishing. After tanning, the hides move into controlled drying systems. Drying rooms maintain precise temperature and humidity levels to prevent warping or cracking. Some factories employ mechanical stretching to preserve the natural dimensions of the hides, ensuring a uniform thickness. Workers inspect each hide as it emerges, feeling the texture, checking for imperfections, and confirming that the leather meets strict quality standards. This is followed by a conditioning stage, where natural oils and fats are applied to further soften the leather and enhance its flexibility. Once conditioned, the hides undergo coloring and finishing. Automated drum dyeing systems ensure deep, even penetration of color, while artisans may apply hand techniques for precision and visual appeal. After dyeing, the leather is treated with protective coatings, including polishing, waxing, and abrasion-resistant layers. Some hides receive waterproofing treatments or UV protection, enhancing durability while maintaining a luxurious feel. Each hide is carefully inspected to ensure it meets the factory's exacting standards before moving on to the next stage. The leather is then prepared for cutting and patterning. Using advanced digital tools and CAD software, craftsmen map patterns onto the hides to optimize material usage and prevent waste. Precision cutting machines follow these patterns, creating components for jackets, bags, belts, and other luxury items. Every cut is carefully monitored, as even small errors can affect the final product. This step blends technological precision with human expertise, ensuring uniformity and high quality across every item produced. Next comes stitching and assembly. Skilled artisans use industrial sewing machines to join panels, reinforce seams, and add intricate details. Handles, zippers, lining, and other hardware are integrated with precision. Throughout this stage, quality checks are constant. Each stitch is examined for consistency and durability. The combination of machine efficiency and human craftsmanship ensures that the final product is both strong and elegant, ready to meet the expectations of luxury buyers. After assembly, the products move to edge finishing and polishing. Edges are painted, burnished, or smoothed to create a flawless appearance. Leather surfaces receive final treatments to enhance color richness and texture. Workers carefully buff and condition each item, creating the signature, luxurious look and feel that camel leather is known for. The attention to detail in this stage ensures every bag, jacket, or accessory achieves a premium finish. The final stage is rigorous quality control. Inspectors examine every product for stitching, color consistency, texture, and structural integrity. Some items are flexed or tested for water resistance to ensure they meet high-end standards. Only those passing every inspection are approved for packaging. Products are then carefully wrapped, labeled, and prepared for global shipment, ready to reach boutiques, fashion houses, and discerning customers worldwide. From raw desert hide to luxury leather product, the journey represents a perfect balance of technology, skill, and craftsmanship. Throughout the factory, machines hum, workers move with precision, and the rich smell of leather fills the air. This is a space where human expertise meets advanced industrial technology, creating products that are not only functional and durable, but also symbols of elegance and sophistication. Each item tells a story of meticulous care, industrial innovation, and the extraordinary potential of camel leather. By the end of this process, a raw desert hide has been transformed into a luxury masterpiece, ready to be appreciated by people around the world.